What's going on, guys? It's Craig from MobileTechTalk, and today I'm shooting a rather strange experience for me. This is the Motorola One Action, and I'm shooting this landscape video at full HD 60 FPS, so 1080p, in portrait, because that's what the action part of the name comes from. The fact that it's almost like a bit of a GoPro in your hand. You don't have to turn it landscape to actually get landscape video. So I thought I'd take a bit of a walk and see how that action part of the Motorola One Action name lives up, as well as the audio. It does do 4K 21:9 and 4K just standard 16:9 30 FPS as well, but that's in standard video mode and not in the action video mode. So I'm giving the action video mode a go, and then I'll try the 4K. So for those who don't know, the Motorola One Action has a 6.3 inch display. It has an Exynos 9609, which is a mid-range, lower mid-range maybe, chip from Samsung. It comes with 4GB of RAM, 128GB storage, 3500 mAh battery, and a headphone jack. It's also got Type-C, but I think it's a Type-C charging port, but it's only USB 2, and it has a fingerprint scanner on the back. So I'm recording this now with the triple camera setup that it's got on the back, and as I say, I'm recording this in the action mode. I need to check exactly which sensor this uses, but I think it's the primary 12 megapixel, which has got an f-stop of 1.8. There's also a 16 megapixel, sorry, this would be the 16 megapixel video camera. There's a dedicated video camera or lens on the back. And it also takes 12 megapixel stills, I think, and there's a 5 megapixel depth sensor as well. So let's just take a bit of a faster walk and see how the action camera, if I just move it around a little bit quicker and try and find something that's not green or brown, which is going to be very difficult. You can have a look at the lovely P30 Pro as well if you wish, just get a bit of colour in there. So it actually looks on my screen a little bit washed out, but that could be the IPS LCD display. It is a little bit, not devoid of colour, but a little bit on the cooler side, and it has a bit of a cooler tint, a little bit bluey, greeny grey. So it could be that. Some colours are looking quite accurate on the screen, but others not so much. So we'll flick to the 4K in a minute, and you'll be able to see that one on YouTube as well as all of the other videos that we're doing on the Motorola One Action and others. Check out our IFA coverage that's just gone up as well. We threw a few nice videos up from that. Like and subscribe, and remember to check out MobileTechTalk.co.uk for the full review in a couple of weeks. And we'll catch you on the next one in 4K.